in the actual rally for me to do my best. Will have done their best in preparing for the race. Yeah. Thankfully and very gratefully, we have now engaged with KCB for the second year in a row. We were the KCB drivers last year in the WRC. We were also the KCB Bank drivers for the Africa Rally Championship, which we won last year, and I think that has helped them get some confidence in us. At the same time, we are very happy with working with them. And I think the partnership is quite beneficial mutually. Well, the game plan would be definitely still to attack as it was last year, but last year we suffered a few hiccups with regards to broken brake pipe, failed power steering, and then car, it's something I'm still getting used to in terms of its character and the way to drive it.
Nacio irabu inyanya kuma gitaru kia gatagati wa bururi nicio